being from North India, it is all about being an IPSC or UPSC clear karna. All those is considered as high college job in North India. So yeah, definitely even my dad wanted me to be somewhere close to that only, and he was like कि तुम्हें कर लेना चाहिए government job. But being a rebellion kid, I was like नहीं. 8th standard से सोच के रखा है. I want to be an entrepreneur, and no matter what, I would be doing it. I can say it's been almost 3 years over here. And the reason why I joined was very silly, because when you are young and definitely everybody wants some amount of pocket money and sort of things. So I came into this business, you can say, by doing some small events and all. And slowly and steadily I started catching it up and realizing it up कि it can be a very good market, and person like me who really loves interacting and all can work out a lot. क्योंकि जब client is happy तो automatically आपका pocket money तो आना ही है. And now it's been 1 year by performing a channel partner's job and with 7 bookings. And I am in 3rd year BCom, pursuing it from Ramniranjan Jhunjhunwala, which is in Ghatkopar. And somewhere or the other, I'm very thankful towards my institution as well, क्योंकि they have been very supporting. क्योंकि काफ़ी मुश्किल हो जाता है दो चीज़ों को एक साथ और उतने ही अच्छे efforts के साथ perform करना. And my mom, to be very honest, my mom is someone who manages my job. Even though she do not have any idea about it, she would make sure, Sneha तू उठ गई, Sneha how about your leads, Sneha ये visit आई थी उसका क्या हुआ. तो she keeps on giving me a reality check, बेटा कि तुम हो कहीं पे, तुम्हें करना है तो तुम discipline. तो she is my discipline maker. When I started doing it, तो the very same person who was opposing, मेरे पापा, वो मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल रहे. क्योंकि जब मैंने उनको बोला कि पापा ये चीज़ें हैं, मुझे ये करना है, तो आई रियलाइज कि अभी के टाइम पे रेरा इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. तो अगर आप इन जनरल जाते हो किसी ब्रोकर के पास कि भाई मुझे मदद कर दे, मुझे बता दे कहाँ से क्या करना है, दे डू नॉट डू. सो मैंने बताया पापा को कि क्या क्या सिनेरियोज है, और ही वॉज नॉट हैविंग एनी कॉन्टैक्ट, बट स्टिल ही मैनेज टू have some contacts, and he managed to make my RERA ID card certificate, and yes, here I am performing it out. So I came and I've seen all the structure, how they are working and all. So somewhere I thought this can be a good thing. यहाँ से मैं जितना भी I can source a lot of help from this platform. So whereby I just started connecting to, मैंने अपना form, there were certain formalities. I downloaded the app, जो भी formalities थी वो पूरी की. Then I was assigned by a manager, Naina. And Naina 1 year back was no one to me, but Naina today is really a very helping partner to me. And wherever I am, I can say कहीं ना कहीं she is the reason. Because whenever I'm like Naina ये हो गया, she has never been someone कि चलो यार ignore करते हैं call, क्या ही है. Whenever I have called her, when needed, she has been there. Then Satyam sir, whenever I needed someone to be at site, कि ये client मुझसे handle नहीं होगा, अगर आप मदद कर सको तो, even he has been a guiding source for me. I would be more thankful towards Satish sir, क्योंकि जब भी whenever I feel कि अभी काफ़ी time हो गया है, like if you guys know, मेरा पहला booking हुआ था Jan में, and then I was working. Fab ऐसे ही गया, मई भी ऐसे ही गया, मार्च ऐसे गया, मई गया, जून गया. तो जुलाई में ऐसा हो गया था कि दिस इज़ नॉट अ थिंग फॉर मी, अब मुझसे नहीं होगा, मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए. बट पता नहीं मेरे दिमाग में क्या है, जस्ट थॉट लेट मी जस्ट मीट वंस क्षितिज सर. मैं गई वहाँ पे, मैंने बात किया, सब कुछ किया, एंड आई जस्ट फील मोटिवेटेड अबाउट इट. एंड समवेयर रोहित ईडन सर वॉज ऑल्सो देयर. I just मेड श्योर कि मैंने उन्हें सारे प्रोसीजर्स बताए. इवन ही हेल्प मी आउट कि आपका जो गैप है वो कहाँ पर आ रहा है, आपका जो प्रॉब्लम है वो क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. ही हेल्प मी आउट रिजॉल्विंग इट. नैना हेल्प मी आउट, सत्यम से हेल्प मी आउट, Shruti sir helped me out क्योंकि definitely I am a very young one to start and I do not have experience, but yeah I have my magnet. तो they were there for me and फिर मैंने वापस से start किया from July and till December I did more 6 bookings. It really feels good and more than that what makes me feel more good when my client comes up and they are like thank you beta. हमने और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखी थी बट थैंक यू टू मेकिंग अस बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फैमिली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बीइंग इट कल्पतरू, बीइंग इट गोदरेज, बीइंग इट लोधा. सो या इट मेक्स मी फील वेरी good and fortunate about it that I have been a part of somebody's dream. First thing that I would go up with is कि I would start a firm whereby I start expanding my things in Thane market. And then my second target would be Powai, and accordingly I would see ki how am I fitting into it. Money is an important factor, but what I have learned is my experience, and in a very small age that might help in future to be somewhere where I can say I have earned 10 crores, 20 crores and 30 crores and here I am. You can say my magnet has been the very constant support. You can even say it has been friend towards me क्योंकि अब जब प्रॉब्लम में होते हो what you do whenever you are into stress, you like मेरा कोई तो दोस्त मिल जाए चंगा सा, मैं बैठ जाऊँ उसके साथ जितने भी है बातें कर लूँ, वो मुझे हेल्प आउट कर दे. तो मैग्नेट फॉर मी हैज़ बीन सच अ फ्रेंड वेयर जब भी मुझे रियल स्टेट को लेके कोई भी डाउट होता था आई यूज्ड टू कम. Shruti sir used to help me out. So all credit would be towards my magnet and I'm really thankful for it.